Airlines are quietly using tricks that make you pay hundreds more than you should. But today, I'm exposing 10 secrets they don't want you to know. Secrets that could change the way you travel forever. You've probably booked a flight and thought, why is it so expensive? Why does the price change every time I check? The truth is, airlines run on hidden systems designed to squeeze every extra dollar from your pocket. But here's the twist. Once you understand their game, you can beat them at it. In this video, I'll reveal 10 insider secrets, how airlines price their tickets, the loopholes they hope you'll never discover, and the strategies that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands, on your next trip. And stick around until secret number 10, because that's the one that can protect not just your wallet, but also your data and safety. Secret 1. Dynamic pricing. Airlines use algorithms to raise or lower prices based on demand and your browsing history. Solution. Search in Incognito, use a VPN and set alerts. Best window, 28 to 60 days before departure. Secret 2. Hidden city trick. Book a flight with a layover at your actual destination. It's often cheaper. Don't check bags, and don't overuse or you risk your account. Secret 3. Overbooking equals free cash. Airlines oversell seats. If they bump you, you can claim big compensation, sometimes $600 plus. Secret 4. Baggage fees. Trap. A $99 flight quickly doubles with luggage fees. Use carry-on only or airline credit cards that include free checked bags. Secret 5. Passenger rights. EU 261 in Europe and DOT rules. In the US, entitle you to cash if flights are delayed or canceled. Airlines won't tell you. Demand it. Secret 6. Mistake fares. Sometimes tickets appear at absurdly low prices due to glitches. Subscribe to deal alert sites, act fast, and keep your booking confirmation. Secret 7. Loyalty. Sweet spots. Not all miles are equal. Booking through partner airlines can cost fewer points. Learn the sweet spots of your program. Secret 8. Location and currency. Change your booking location with a VPN. The same flight might cost $500 in the US, but $400 in Mexico. Secret 9. Cheap upgrades. Discount upgrades appear during check-in or even by politely asking at the counter. Secret 10. Charging station. Dangers. Airport USB ports can be hacked. Juice jacking. Always use a power bank or a USB data blocker cable. Now, here's the real challenge. Airlines know all these loopholes, and they're constantly working to shut them down. They add hidden fees, sue websites, and adjust their algorithms. That's why you need to stay one step ahead. Traveling smart isn't about finding one trick. It's about combining these secrets to maximize savings every single time. Imagine this scenario. You book a trip to Europe. You use dynamic pricing to lock the best window, a VPN to save $120, a sweet spot in your loyalty points to cover your return ticket, and you score a $400 compensation because your first flight was delayed. Suddenly, your $1,200 trip costs you less than $500. That's the power of knowing what airlines don't want you to know. And here's the biggest takeaway. Airlines aren't in business to save you money. They're in business to make it. But every system has flaws, and when you know the flaws, you hold the power. The moment you stop playing their game blindly, you start winning yours. So, let's recap. Prices change because of algorithms, not chance. Hidden city ticketing can save you, if you dare. Overbooking isn't just a hassle, it's an opportunity. Fees, rights, mistake fares, loyalty sweet spots, and even airport security tricks. All of these add up to hundreds or thousands saved. Airlines won't hand you these secrets. You've got to claim them yourself.